Okay, hello. I will explain how to use the free NeoWars connector adapters 3D printed. You can download the files. Thank you to Slide Tools in Saveways. He designed for free these adapters. You can download, you can print. The only thing it's important to me is you maintain the pinout and the diagrams. This is the key for the new standard. If you don't follow the diagrams, this is for nothing, because we all want to change our blades to have a free standard, and I want I want to use all blades in all my hilts. I want not to someone solder pin 1 to pin 3 or something like that, because the key is to maintain the pinout. You can download the diagrams, but now I'm going to teach how to make it. The most important thing is to know this go in the blade. This is very easy. You have these two parts. You can print the thin and the thick. The thin this is a home 3D printed. Then perfect thread. This one is useful for the thin-walled 7/8. This is from Custom Saver Shop. And for thick-walled blades from the this is from LightSabers.com, but is the same for thick-walled 1 inch. And this other, the thick one adapter, is for 1 inch. I want to change. Okay. This is just for the thin-walled blades, 1 inch. This example is from the Custom Saver Shop. You have to make a retention hole. You have to drill. The key is to maintain the position is here, because when you match the hilt, it's important the blade contact here, and you can't move this part, because if you make like this, when you put this in the hilt, you are going to push and you are going to break the retention screw or something like that, or excessive pressure. You have to keep here. Here is the place. You can drill and you can put a retention screw. And this is the in-hilt adapters. I have two adapters, one for 1 inch and one for 7/8. But you cannot put here. You need a Dremel, a cutting tool, or I have this mini tube cutter. It's very easy to do. Just put here and gently, slowly and patient, you are going to and you pressure. The best is to put here, and then you can working perfect. You have this, you get this out, and I have the connector. Okay, I can solder here a little tricky, or you can just unscrew this, solder, and put together another time. The key is maintain this metallic piece. Okay, but now you can put in the adapter. It's very tight. Perhaps you have to sand a little, but the important is you have to put here the retention screw. You can straight put a retention screw, a M4 here, or just glue. I want not to put perfect because I have to take out and test in the 7/8. Okay, the 7/8, this goes here. Okay, now I'm gonna push, okay, all the way down. It's perfect, but better you put a M4 screw, and the wall connection is down. Then I will put the thin, in my 7/8. We'll test. Okay. The connection must be like this. Here you put the retention screw, and then this go in hilt. All the connection is just an inch. It's just an inch. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry my English.